Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today I am going to share my mining experience. So far I am mining Dynex. Last time I have shared my dual coin mining experience and I shown you that how to set up two coins mining at simultaneously at your computer or at your desktop or laptop. So today I'm going to show you how you can start mining Dynex from your laptop or desktop. First, why I have chosen Dynex. Let me share the price first. Look at the price, and this is today's price, and you can see for if you click on all time, you can see 442% high from all time. And the best thing of Dynex is you can see that it had 1.23 dollar was its high, and in coming bull run we are expecting that Dynex will easily cross 2 to 3 dollars, even more. So if we keep on mining Dynex from now onwards, we will get some handsome amount from our mining effort. Right now we will check some other things. What is the interesting thing about Dynex? This is POUW. You have already known that POW, that is proof of work, and POUW is proof of useful work that Dynex solves. Proof of useful works, and it's very fast. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see that mainnet was launched. Dynex Solve POUW launched in September 2022 and started working for miners and customers. So nowadays, Dynex mining is very much profitable. I am showing you my data. I have started mining for last 2 to 3 days, so you can check. This is my wallet. If you click on lookup, you can see this is I am mining. Okay, now minimizing it, you can see my pending balance is 0.24204961, and today's unconfirmed balance is 0.1291. If you scroll down a bit, this is giving me zero point 0.1. Right now I am recording as well as mining, so it's came down a bit, but usually you can get a zero point 0.2 USD from your laptop if you are mining from one GPU. If you have a mining rig, definitely you are going to get more Dynex, more amount per day. Okay, and at this rate you will get 3.21 USD monthly. This is fair enough because this is the bear market we are going through right now. While coming in bull market, it will definitely give you 5 times to 10 times. Definitely, it's my speculation that definitely it you can reach 5 times profit what you are mining from it. And if the coin price goes up, your daily earning will goes up as well as your monthly earning and weekly earning, whatever. So you can see that it is giving me some shares as I am mining from hero pool. Right now what you have to do to set up your mining, I am coming to that. Well, get Dynex, the utility coin of Dynex, mine Dynex. This is the wallet. Okay, click on wallet. You can have your mobile wallet, but that is not so useful. Apart from that, Dynex GUI wallet, CLI wallet, Dynex JS wallet, and Dynex wallet daemon. So better click on open wallet. You will have a online wallet. That's very easy. You just give your email and password, and if you definitely you must provide your 2FA, and you are good to go, right? After that, while you have your setup your online wallet, you come here. Now come to how to mine DNX. Here you can see there are three miners right now available: DS miner, OZM miner, and SRB miner. You have all familiar with SRB miner, as I have shown two while in the last episode, while I was mining two coins simultaneously from SRB miner, and that had multi option. But this token I will mine, this coin I'll mine from OZM miner, right? Click on that 10 miner. That's excellent. Sorry. This is not the thing. Yeah, this is the releases, and if you click on releases, just click on 10 miner win 64 zip. I have already downloaded and unzipped it. Right now, I am showing how you can set up your thing, how to start mine. So for that, I am closing this mining right now because it's not going to give me enough horsepower, right? Enough mining share right now. So I have closed it, and I will show you how you can set up. You can go to Dynx hero miner. This is the hero miner. Okay, if you click on start, you can see lots of servers there, and there are two things. First, let me show you how you can go to. This is 10 miner. After unzip it, click on that. Okay, you can see only two things are there. One is mine.bat and another is miner log, and another is ozone 10 miner.exe. This was not available at first, so you have to create it. How you can create it? This you can do this solo mining. You can do, yes, come down that Dynex hero miners. This is the best miner available. If you click on SRB, I'm telling you this SRB is not working. Okay, so definitely come to 10 miner, and while coming to 10 miner, just copy it. Just copy it. Open a notepad and paste it. Okay, this is your wallet address. Wallet address you will get it from here. After giving email and password, you will log in and you will get definitely your wallet address. You will paste your wallet address dot worker name. Don't forget to write this, your worker name. Fine. After that, you may start with this server address. It's very fine if you wish to start. Apart from that, if you are willing to start with Indian server, then you just copy it. Okay, copy it, and address is 200 1120 port 1120. Right now it's written there, so you don't have to change the port. You can put it Indian address here, and as well as malloc endpoint you can put this, right? After that, what you have to do, every steps is written. You just save this Dynex save as. What you have to do? Dynex hero miners dot bat. That's all. That will be the name, and I'm saving. If I save, it will say that duplicate. Yes. Do you want to replace? As it's already exists, so I'm not going to save it. After doing this is the simple step. You have to follow these steps and just be mindful that dynex dash hero miners dot bat will be the file name, and you will save it while you have unzip that your 10 miner. After that you will come to this is the dynex hero miners dot bat. Click on that. That's all, my friends. You can see it will start mining very soon, and this is the best profitable coin right now, so I am mining. If you wish to mine this, you can do. Apart from that, you are hopefully already mining that radiant and ethereum. Those are very good coin as well. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.